JCR. Now we are going to see that how to make a zoom in transition that you have seen in the video clip using Adobe Premiere Pro 2019 by using some keyframes. First of all, you have to import all the video clips you have to make the effect. Then go to the final frame and make the opacity to 0 and move backwards to 6 to 7 frames and increase the opacity to 100. In the same way, click on the after video clip and then reduce the scale value to 0 and make a point keyframe. Then move to 7 steps or 7 frames and increase the value to 100. Now see, we have a zoom in transition. If you want to make this so smooth and realistic, just add a adjustment layer on top of the both clips and add transform effect to that adjustment layer and change the shutter angle to 180 degree and add some more blur to the adjustment layer by applying directional blur. Increase the blur length to 15 and direction to 90. Now that's all guys, we have that output. See, it's smooth, right? Yes, that's all guys, that's about this today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Like it, share it and do subscribe, and check our Instagram page if you are interested in photography plus videography, and keep do following, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.